Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
This is the access which is missing. Okay. So now I'm just going back into the system. So when you are going into the system, this is the front-end system. That is the instant system. So in the instant system. So, if it is a development, or it is a preview, or it is a production, with the help of the URL I told you, you can able to identify, you can able to find which environment you are working. That is one thing. And in the URL only you can see company equal to this is showing a number. It is showing here. A company equal to you can see here. So in the real time also. This is the company ID which you are seeing here in the real time also. You can see that company ID in the URL. So with that company ID you can see that you are into the development preview or the production, or with the help of the URL also. And here also again, the company had to be there. So each company ID will be connected with a username and the password. Okay. Each company ID will be connected with a username and the password. This username will be mostly with the your official mail ID. Suppose you are working with Deloitte or you're working with Wipro or TechMinder. So their official mail ID with their official mail ID only, they will be creating the username. Okay. And they will. They will create a password, but the password can also be reset from your end later on. Okay. And once they are sharing the front-end system, that is, a URL, company ID and the username and the password, you can able to access it and you can able to log in. You can check for all the three environments and then only you can. You have to confirm to them that I can access all the three environments successfully. Okay. Once you enter into this page, this is the SuccessFactor home page. Latest home page. Okay. Earlier, there was an old home page that has already been deprecated. Deprecated means this already been removed by SAP and they have introduced this new page. Okay. So, in this new page, the first thing is that this is the company logo which you can able to see. Whichever customer you are accessing, that customer's company logo will be there, here and below the company logo. Sometimes it specifies it is a test instance. It is a development or if nothing is there. It specifies the production. So here also you can see with the help of the URL and the company ID you can able to identify your into which environment company ID, you can find it from the URL also and also when you go into your profile here. This is the profile can you see here, right side. You can see the profile here. Once you click on the profile, you can see show version information. When you click on the show version information here, you can see the company ID here. Okay. So here also my going to be better company. It is a development preview or the production. Okay. Apart from the company ID here into the show version you can see, some term is called as a release. Okay. So we need to understand this part also that SAP SuccessFactor, yearly, 2 times SAP SuccessFactor, is coming up with the new releases. New releases means this application which has been set. OK. This act which has been created time to time. SAP always works on this application to give the better improvement, better flexibility of accessing this application, both to the customer and to the consultants. OK. So for that there is a separate team which is there from the SAP side and they are working on in the application time to time, so they come up with the releases yearly 2 times, that is, first half of the year and the second half of the year. So first half of the year is called as 1H. Second half of the year, it is called as a 2H. OK. Second half of the year is called as a 2H. So first half that is called as a 1H. Every year the release is coming in the month of April, May, and the second half it is coming in the month of October, November. OK. So, in this new releases, whatever the changes, whatever the addition, whatever the deletions are coming because this product is developed by SAP. So whatever changes are coming, that is the standard one. Working on the standard one, they will come up with the changes and those changes will be updated in the application for all the customers. OK. So when those changes are coming, you can see in the show version that the application which you are using that is the latest one or not. So now it is showing us AB 2211, so the last release was in the month of November. Now, but 2022. That is the reason it is showing as AB 2211 means it indicate that this app, this our system, is also get updated as per the last release. Now, the next release will be coming in the month of May. So once it has been updated, once the release comes, then again this release date will be changed to. You can see 2305 later on. In the coming months. So that is the way you can able to see that your application is as per the latest release or not. OK. It indicate that, whatever the changes which is done by SAP, that is also updated in your demo system or your development, or to the instances, whatever instances which we are using. OK. Is it clear? Then, coming into the home page, you have this. Categories, or we can call as a section that these are the standard one where you can see the quick actions are there. OK. And you can also see. You can also. When I scroll down, you can see approvals are there. OK. For you today is there. OK. Organization updates are there. OK, like this. These are the standard categories. OK. Under this standard categories. You can see these are some small blocks are there. We call as a cards or we call as a tiles. OK. So these tiles are also the standard one where you can see my team delegate workflow. You can see the request. Time of recognize. OK, all these are the standard one. OK. All these are the standard one which you are seeing. So standard means what it is by default, it is coming with the application. OK. So in case, if any changes are happening from SAP side, then you can see the same changes will be reflecting here also in the system also. Okay. Got it. So this is the standard one. So you have the tiles and you have the cards. That the standard one also as well. As you can all ask for the customer requirement you can. You can also create a custom tiles also. Okay. Suppose the customer is having a requirement that they want to create.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.